Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily log out your Snapchat account from your mobile on your iPhone and Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Snapchat app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on your profile on the top left corner and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Snapchat account. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and on the bottom you'll be able to find an option of log out, and all you'll have to do is to tap on log out, and it says you saved your credentials, and logging back in will be easy. You can change the setting from the login screen. Now you'll have to tap on log out, and your account will be successfully logged out. And after logging out, you can also you can log in by simply like tapping on this login button, because you have saved your credentials, your password and email. And if you want to remove this account, you can also tap on remove account and then hit yes, and your account will be removed permanently from this device. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.